Forgot your Roblox password on your iPhone? It happens to many players, but the good news is, recovering it is quick and easy. In this video, I'll show you how to recover your Roblox password on your iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Method 1. Using the Roblox app. First, open up the Roblox app on your iPhone. Next, tap Sign In. Now tap on Forgot your password. Here, enter your email or username. Then tap Next. Now Roblox will send you a verification code to your email. Enter the code here. Here, enter the new password and then update password. Now sign in with this new password, and here it is. Method 2. Using Google app. If you have the Google app, then open it up. Sign in with the same Google account you use for autofill. Method 3. Contact with Roblox support. To do that, open up a browser like Chrome or Safari. Then search Roblox support. Tap on the first URL. Sometimes it asks to enter your birth date. Now fill in this information. In your case, if you forgot your username, you can keep it blank. And on the email address, enter your email. Use an active email so that Roblox support can contact you. After that, select your device type, like iPhone, and then select the type of help category, like account hacked or can't log in. Then select the help subcategory by tapping the bottom drop-down icon and tap on Forgot Password. Now in the description box, you can describe your issue. For example, you can type like you forgot both your email and phone number so you can retrieve your Roblox account. After that, tap on Continue, then just wait for Roblox support reply and answer some of their security questions to get back your Roblox. So folks, this is how you can recover your Roblox password on your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. Feel free to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.